Hello, teacher coffee.
Yes. What's your name?
Happy.
How old are you, Andy?
It's 4.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Andy, tell me, what's this? It's
It's my dad.
good. What's this?
It's my dad.
Good. What's this?
It's my dad.
What's this?
It's my book.
What's this?
My Lucy.
Good. What's this?
It's my head.
Yes. What's this?
It's my hand.
Pen. This one is pencil. Okay. Now, what's this?
So notebook.
It's mine.
My notebook.
Good. What's this?
It's a wheel.
Good. Now, tell me, Andy. Pens? How many pens have you got? Three
Hand.
pens.
S.
Okay, now, how many books have you got?
I have 4 books.
Yes, very good. Now, Andy, listen. Stand up.
And up.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Open the book.
Open the book.
Good. Close the book.
Close the book.
Listen.
Listen.
Think.
Think.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Good job. High five.